Hi and welcome. How you doing, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. Hi Depinler, how you doing, man? So, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. So I'm gonna lower my music a little bit too loud for my liking, but I'm gonna need to have something in the background. So, alright. So I've been working a little bit this weekend, not too much, but a little bit, and I encountered some problems, so we're gonna target those problems. So I got my mech into the world. It's not finished by a long shot when it comes to painting, but at least we have something going on, and I got some animation going. But it's not gonna work out. I have to redo this animation because a couple of things. When we walk around here, it's sliding around on the floor, and the idea was that it was going to have a stop motion, so it's gonna stop there and stop there and just do a little stop and then move on, a little stop and then move on. And I have my suggestion. Yeah, it looks okay, but it's not as good as I want it. So I have my animation what it looked like here. We look at the animation here. What is, let's see if I can stop. It's like a machine stop rather. And the problem with my rig is that I don't have a root bone. I need to have a root bone to do root bone animations, and I don't have a root bone on this one. I don't know why. This is a few months old. I just have a bone, and that is my root bone, and it's not gonna work because I animated some wiggle into this. So if you look at the root bone itself here, see it's actually not stationary. It's actually got some wiggle into it. And that's not gonna work, so we have to redo this from scratch. So that's what we're gonna do today, and then we're gonna do some animations, see if I can get that done. So we are going to delete this basically. Let's see if we can do that. Or if I should just no, let's just delete that sucker. There we go. Boom, gone. And when I'm doing these, I'd like to change my scale to 1. So now we have nothing. Everything is gone, and let's see if I can remove those things. I don't know. Let's see here, data, API, which one was it? Let's see here, collection brushes, armature, bone, actions, here we go. Delete those guys. Delete and delete. Now they should be gone. Yeah, they're gone. Good. I'm gonna change this back to, let's see here. Is it that one? Yeah. These. And let's see, is that right? View layers. There we go. That's what we wanted. Oh. Oh, nice, Depianer. Totally a website. That's wow. That's intense. I'm not even close to doing anything like that. Alright, let's see. Let's do rigging. Let's see here. Pop it up, layout modeling. Probably go into model workspace, and we're going to add a armature. This is our root bone. That's gonna let's see. Let's keep this organized. My fucking microphone is everywhere. Alright. Oops. It could be smaller. Root. And let's see. Okay, so set up some shit here. Take a look at this so I don't do any mistakes. I got, you know, my previous mesh I want to see, so don't do anything wrong here. Bounce, sign, blah 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 blah, view for display. I can see here, we're gonna do the view for display maybe. Front, bottom, right. Okay, so that is the root bone, and we're gonna go into edit mode. Let's see. Z. There we go. This bone we need to P, disconnect bone. Grab this up here, rotate 90 degrees. This will be my wiggle bone. This is the problem I had. I need to have a bone we can actually wiggle from. Call this wiggle bone. Extract these. Grab in the Y. This is we're going to attach this as well. Disconnect bone. Rotate 90. Nope. Rotate minus 90. Scale down a little bit here. So let's see here. So this will be our. Let's see. So don't. Bones. Yeah, so this will be our center pelvis bone, right? Center pelvis. And from this we'll get all the upper things like the upper body. Get that. Extract that in the Z up to roughly center of those arm holders. So this will be our center, our main body. I'll name it for it. Right. Let's see here. Now we're gonna extract this. The X. This will just be our connection point for our modules. This will be our let's see, module left. Hard point bone. Point L underscore left. L point L or dot underscore L. Underscore L. We'll go, and then we're gonna have a bone going backwards. It's gonna be our connection point for our backpack, so to speak. This will be see here. Jesus, should have gone to the bathroom before I started streaming. Huh. This is hard point bone left. Hard. Back. Let's see, there was one thing more I need to set up here, and that is I really want to see axes. I want to have them at the head. We need to set those, make sure that they are correctly set. Start moving them around. Let's see here. I don't know if I want to, so my previous rig had like a flip for the cabin here. I don't think I need one of those, so I think we're fine there. Because I don't think I want to animate that. Alright, so we're going to see here. Alright, I have to run to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Let's see here, I was gonna do this. Alright, hopefully that will be enough. Hey Dan, how are you doing, man? How are you doing? Let's see here. This is my leg bone. Let's see here. Something like that, I think. See, so this is see, what the hell did I name all these things? Backpack, right leg, left leg. L underscore, let's see here. L underscore leg underscore pelvis. Okay. This is my right leg. No, left leg. Let's see, left leg upper. Right. Get this one down here. Roughly. Gonna fix that. Lower. We got a foot bone. L underscore foot. L underscore foot. Make sure that I do this correctly. Yeah. Let's see here. So this one need to be moved over a little bit. This need to be moved over a little bit. All right. What we can do here to make sure that it actually is correctly, I'll take this one. I'll take the vertices, or take this guy and this guy. Let's see if I remember correctly here. Shift D. No. Hold on. Shift S. To origin, to cursor offset to face. There we go. Then we'll go. So now it's in between, exactly in between those two. That one, go to edit. I'm gonna move this to cursor. So we're gonna take Shift S to cursor. Boom. There we go. Now it's exactly in between those. And now we can go back to object, go into this, go to edit, take this one and this one. Shift S to face. Now we go out, go into this guy here, this, armature, edit, take this, and we'll take Shift S to cursor. There we go. I'll do that, exactly that on this one as well, but I don't know what to use here. I think it's probably fine though. Alright. Cool. Now we have that, so we can take this object and we can see if this works. Let's see, where the hell are you? Where the hell are you? We need to need to be in edit mode. Armature symmetrize. There we go. Boom. Nice. So now we have done that. Well, we don't want to do that yet. I just remembered. course, we would have set up the IK first. But at least we have that. So, alright. Let's go in here. We're gonna get our root bone. Boom. And we are going to... are we duplicating this, or are we just extracting and then disconnecting it? Let's see. Hold on. Where are you? Oh, I'm gonna grab you and move you out of here. Alright, there we go. Thank you. I'm not sure, it's just, I'm not sure. There we go. That's the root bone. Correct. Well, let's see. Do I need to duplicate it? No, I want to extract it from this. Then, and now we're going to unparent this one. Clear parent. This is going to be our IK bone. Broken 90. We'll place that there somewhere. Cool. Place it right there. Let's see what we're going to call this. We're going to call it... This is the target bone, right? For left. L underscore target. I'm gonna take this here. Extrude there. And let's see here. That bone. This is gonna be the pole bone. Clear parent. Grab. Y. So I think, yeah, let's rename this to be L underscore pole. Cool. So now we have those. Let's set this up. Let's see, so I don't do any mistakes here. Constraints. I need to look at the bone constraints. Yeah, I got constraints on that. The right leg. Not the pelvis, it's not the upper, it's this guy right here. That guy that's supposed to have an IK constraint. There we go. Let's see here. No. That's not it. Not it at all, is it? Maybe it is. No. What type is this? It's not a... Yes, it's a root constraint. There. Oh my god. Inverse command. I thought it was shortened. Alright. Target is the armature, and it's gonna be the target. Left target, left target, left target. There we go. Jesus. And the pole is going to be the armature and left pole. And there we go. Everything is out of whack. Let's see here. So it's going to be minus 42 degrees. 500 and chain length is 2. Let's see if we can get this to form up. Use tailbox stretch, influence 1000, rotation. Oh shit. Need an offset or some shit like that? Let's see what the target bone are. I can remember anything. Limit location is all I had on that. Oh, damn. Okay. This needs to be grabbed in the X. Oh, shit. Okay. This needs actually to be all the way into that guy. Grab in the X. There we go. But damn, I should actually remove this target. Solve bones. Okay. I actually need to extrude it from this guy here. Damn. So. Now I can take this one and copy, clear parent. This is going to be L underscore target. Take this one. Go into pose mode. Now we can set the armature and left target. There we go. That's it. I wonder, should not have done that. I probably need to set my rotation on all these before I do that, to be honest. At least we got that under control, so we can do that in a second. See, so we have everything under control here. I want this rotated. Rotate it in the Y. I want X upwards. We can actually probably do that like this. Set W into 1. That won't help, right? Because I had some problems with this particular bones when I was doing the first one. Rotate Y. Need this to be set. Okay, there we go. I want this one. Rotate in Z. No. Rotate in the Y. There we go. Oh, okay, that does that. Right. Alright, so let's start with rotating that in the Y, and then we'll redo the foot, I guess. Where's the man? Maybe, let's see. Let's look at that bone, actually. Rotate and Y. Like that. Grab that. Grab. Oh, come on. Give me. Oh shit, I'm in pose mode. God damn it. They also need to take care of the physics, like how to walk. Yeah, walking, yes. No, that's the thing. That's animation. So yeah, I need to handle that somehow. Rotate Z. Oh, come on. It's not it. Rotate Y. Oh. X. Y. Where is my rotate Y? Why would that do that? I haven't learned enough about this stuff. That's the problem. Should I have done this straight up? You know, rotate. Maybe I should have done that before I stretched out the next ones. I mean, this is easy enough to just add again. That's not a problem. So rotate Y. Is that not working? There we go. That's the roll. That's 0. Boom. That's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, so I had a animation already working, right? But it's going to have to be redone. So coming back to this part here, object. Oh, we already have that, so that's perfect. So I want to bring this to cursor. Go, boom. Come on, man. E and to extract, and then grab in the X. Hold on, I was gonna double check this bone and it's fine, okay. And we can say that E, X. So this is a control bone, and that's fine. I'm gonna rotate that 0. Okay, let's bring out our foot bone now. Do X-ray. Oh, right. That's gonna help us a little bit though. Grab in the Z and just grab it down. And yeah, that's fine. Boom. Okay, let's rename this. Let's see what we have named wise here. We have left upper leg. No, this is left leg lower. Now we got this one. It's gonna be left target. This is gonna be left foot. Holy shit! What the fuck can I do now? Oh, did I go into... Yeah. Always like to pushing a button. Like, what the hell happened? Alright, so now we got that. So we got that, we got that. And everything is correctly rolled. Basically shut. Alright. That's okay anyway. Rotate. There we go. All right. Let's bring this back now into pose mode. Add constraint. Okay. Target. It's this guy here. Left target. There. And this is going to be our pole bone. So, pole, this, left pole, boom, and let's see here now. 2 and chain length, and pole angle. Is this one going to be 42? No. So no, not quite. Want these to line up basically, right? There we go. All right. Okay, we're gonna add some constraints on these guys as well. Notice that that was actually something I thought was a good idea. So we're gonna limit this location. Limit location, that guy. And we want to limit it in X to minimum of 0.005 and maximum at 0.025. That's what I set it to. See if that is going to work on this one. That don't look like it. It doesn't look like it at all. First of all, we are world space, local space first of all. There we go. No. That will not work. Oh, look at that. What the hell is happening here? I think I need to rotate this. Grab and X. That's all I can do here. Okay. That's not going to work. These numbers is not going to work, so I have to look into them. We can leave that for now. Grab an X. Something is very wrong here. What the hell is this bone? Okay. Weird. Gonna probably end up with me go like, I have no idea what went wrong. I have to start over again. So why is this? That's an edit mode. There we go. Just moving. Let's see. Oh shit. There we go. Course. Next to doom. This one needs to be parented. Come on, man. Oh. Clear parent. There we go. There we go. Now it works. Alright. Started getting a little bit worried there. What the hell is going on? Alright, grab that. There you get the pole, and this is that one. Perfect. Alright, so now we can probably symmetrize this. Because any other limits I probably need to do individually by bone, depending on position, etc, etc. Armature, and we are going to symmetrize, and there we go. Let's see, still in edit mode. Let's in pose mode. That seems to work. Let's see, and wiggle. That works. And these ones are in wiggly. So why? That's interesting. It's not attached here. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's just a position bone, but still, it should be attached. Let's see here. Wiggle bone, center pelvis. Center pelvis, center pelvis. Left leg, right leg. Is that not attached either? Oh, no, it's supposed to be like that. Okay. Yeah. Alright, perfect. So I control that like that. There we go. There we go. Yeah, no, everything was good. Double check this guy here. Hardpoint bone left, hardpoint bone right, and backpack. All right. Cool, cool, cool. Let's hook up the skeleton to the actual body. Yeah, we'll see how this works. I don't remember. It's fine. So we're gonna go into this and let's take a look at what we have, because we have a lot of fucking stuff here. Center body piece, center body piece 2. Those could be, they should be the same freaking piece. Drive cab, hold on. These two can be joined. I was thinking before, but I don't think it's a good idea to start changing that now. But I needed a ball thing inside here. I don't know. I think these need to be set to... Damn, how did I do that here? Hold on. Just gonna look at my other model. Let's see here. All right, let's start from below, anyway. This foot is going to be to that this guy, control P, bone, that guy should not do that. All right, take a little bit to do then. Andrew. Control P. Well. Let's see. Yep. That need to follow that, right? Yeah, those need to follow that. That's the same thing. Mouse, Control P, boom. Those are the same objects. Okay. That, let's see, object, that one, post mode, Control P, boom. Let's see what happens if we I have a couple of things that lose, right? That's weird. Oh no, it's on the same thing on both sides. So this guy, that guy. Boom. There. There. Control P. Bone. Alright, so that's the entire bone. A leg there, and this leg is that leg. Nice. And if we do this, controls that, controls that. Awesome. Cool. Let's see here. So I want that one. No. It's these things I don't really know. I think both that and this. Huh. This is gonna be a thing. So I got a thing inside here too. I think that thing. Ah, shit. I think these things here. I was thinking that they are going to not move with these. But honestly, because I was thinking it should move with the main body here. These endpoints. But the problem is, if these wiggle out, you know, it'll go through here. Like so, and I don't want that. That looks horrible. So I probably need to attach these to... You could have another bone in here that you can animate, but that is just a lot of fucking work. So I actually think we're gonna do this. I'm gonna go into this, and I'm going to divide these out into two separate parts and attach them to this bone. I think is best. Might not look as cool, but at least it's not gonna glitch into it. So let's see here. I'm gonna do that. L and P by selection. Object. Now I can take this guy and this guy. Go into pose. This guy. P. Bone. And I can put this guy here. Oh, object. There we go. There we go. Pose. Bone. We're in pose mode. Let's see here if I move this. Yeah. I think that's for the best. That's probably the best. Alright. Object. This guy here is gonna be child to this bone here. This guy. And this guy here. Oh, let's see here. Boom. This guy. This guy. Let's see. Yeah, they're all going to be parented to this guy here. Pose. This guy right. Honestly, what the fuck are these things? Do I even need those anymore? Let's hide. Armature. Look at this. I got them there. What the fuck? They're very important. What the hell did I do here? Are you kidding me? I've deleted something. I'm not. What the fuck? Hold on. I think I have to redo everything from scratch. Ha! Let's see what the hell I did here. No, maybe not. Feels like I done something here in the end. Let's see, yeah, I can fix this. Hide. Yeah, these whole things are. How the hell did this happen? And when did it happen? Grab X. A little more. There we go. Interesting. All right. We need to stretch out these bones though. H. Yeah, that's better. We do here can probably go into edit. Grab X. That's to be. This is a connection point, so I needed to be pretty exact. This is where we're going to add any arms for weapons or any modules that we use. Just a little worried that deleted something, but no, now it looks right again. Like that. So that means that these need to be. Oh, damn. Maybe not. So these. Clear parent. P clear parent. And this might have clear parent because this might need to be rotatable with this arm. So that one needs to be with this guy. Post mode. this guy. See? Bone. This guy here need to be with this guy. Control pose. Control P. Bone. This guy here. Connected to this guy here. Control P. Bone. That means that if this is rotated on the y-axis, then we rotate it. Oh, it's not right. Jesus, look at that bullshit. Because it's not in the center. Alright. We'll have to figure that out. Same thing with this guy. Rotate on the Y. Yeah, that looks horrible. Alright, figure that out. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna go into object mode, this object, edit. I'm gonna take this face here. Yeah, it's not center. Okay. Okay. S to face. There we go. Now we're gonna say object. I'm gonna take this guy. I'm gonna go to edit mode. Take that one, and we're gonna say to cursor. That's it. Same thing with this guy. Object. Test here. Shift to face. And down object. Take that. Pose. And S to cursor. Did I not do it right? No, I need to go into edit mode. There we go. To cursor. Boom. Okay, now let's look at this one and rotate on the Y. It's not quite there yet. Think that we need to do this, so we can do take that one, and I'm gonna take that one and go into edit mode, all to base, so it ends up in the middle. Should do. Nope. Didn't. Oh, that's fine. I can do this. No, I can't. There is cursor 2. Because I freaking yeah. I added some plugin that changed this. I don't remember how the fuck to do it myself. Need that. No, I don't need that one. I need That one and that one. That's in the center. Now I need to latest. Getting to the latest. I needed to go into the center between those two. Where the fuck it? How do I do that? I think I remember which freaking add-on I used to change that thing, but I don't remember that. Alt S. No. All right, okay, breakdown. Get so frustrated when I'm adding plugins that's gonna help us, and then it just screws everything up. Render shortcut and move cursor to midpoint. Selected. Oh. Fuck. Yeah, they just came up with the same freaking solution I had, but it's awesome. Just add the freaking excellent Torch. How you doing, man? I'm got into the plugin hell right now, man. So I have a plugin that's changing the settings a little bit here, and it screwed me over. Probably. I don't remember exactly how to do this now. I need to move my cursor, but it doesn't have. It changed my things here to. What am I? Control. Align cursor with vertex edge face. Alt. Only set cursor location rotation. No. Only cursor location, cursor rotation, world origin. No. Snap. Select the items to the 3D. No. No. Shit. I need to move my cursors to the center point between that face and that face, and I always use Shift S and this freaking plugin, I don't remember which plugin it is, that just screwed me over to change this Control S menu, pie menu. Yeah, I mean, the thing is that this is what I've always been using, but now because of this freaking plugin, it's just gone. So I guess I have to I don't remember which freaking add-on it is though. I mean, it's a shit ton of add-ons here. It's not box cutter bool tool, it's Hot Ops 9? No, I don't think so. Could be something like this. 3D print. Oh. To be honest, I don't know if I need to restart this or copy address menu. Oh. You know, you add stuff and you're like, alright, that's fine, and then you keep on forgetting about it, and then you end up in a situation where you freaking don't remember. ND, what the fuck is ND? Non-destructive modeling toolkit. I mean, so much shit. Environment, that's something else. Host library. Fuck me. Textile denser checkers, simple curves, screencast keys, scalable vector graphics, power save. Yeah, that could be it actually. No, it wasn't. Is it changing? No. I think I need to clean up. It doesn't just. I need to do more than just uncheck it. Probably need to restart and all that good stuff. Fucking hate this. Alright, what I can do here is I can just go in here. I know I need to move it down, so what the hell did it move out? Alright, okay. Let's do this first of all. So weird. Everything is weird right now. This is when you start going like, fuck, do I need to redo everything from scratch? I shouldn't have to, but then you start seeing this shit. Because it's off center now. Fucking drives me crazy, stuff like this. It's not. You can clearly see it's off center here. Do this. Yeah, this is not right. Eyeballing shit is not right. This is not how you're supposed to do, and I get pissed off at myself that I'm doing shit. Okay, let's unparent this. That's the first thing I need to do. Clear parent, thank you. Same thing on this side. Clear parent, boom. Now it ends up in the right place again. Need to move all this down to exactly the same level as that. Coming back to the same fucking thing again. I need that one and I need that one. The center point, I need to set my cursor to that center point, and I just can't do it right now. It is almost exactly the center. I think not quite, but almost. Just needs to move down just a tad. Oh. Get fucking frustrated. Let's do this. Because I don't need these things right now. Don't need that. It's just gonna be a fucking mess when I try to get this to work again. Let's see, I'm gonna write it down. I was gonna check if there's a button for it instead. Mesh snap cursor to selected. Oh, okay. Mesh snap cursor to selected. Mesh snap cursor to selected. Oh my fucking god. Alright, cool. Okay. Object. Edit. This need to. What the fuck? Now I get it? All right. To cursor. Boom. Boom. Need all these. Cursor to. Cursor to. Selection to cursor. Boom. Oh, yeah, it was 3 different. That's why. This one doesn't really matter. That's fine. It's connected though. All right. Cool. Now I need to do this. An object. Oh, damn. Because I didn't set it up previously, now it then moves my entire mesh is moving around when I'm snapping these around. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna do one. I need to unparent all this. Copy, clear parent. Copy, clear parent. Make sure that everything is all P, clear parent. There we go. That's interesting too. If I move those, they are connected. This is not connected, it's just I want that to there we go. Now they're connected. Boom. Nice. Now I can take that. There we go. Now I got my menu back too. That's awesome. Cursor to active. Boom. I can set. Let's see. The cursor is to that. That is fine. I can take that. I can take that. I can take that. And save. Selection to cursor. There we go. Got that open. Yeah, it's okay. It's, you know, something to at least have something going on the stream. I mean, honestly, sometimes just I was just sitting in problems. It was no audio, no nothing. It was like so boring. And I also like to, especially when I do this, when I don't have to think. I mean, yes, I use my brain somewhat, but it's not like when you're coding that you really need to have that special concentration. Here it's more like, you know, artistic concentration. How should I put it? I'll put it like that. Cursor to world origin. Cursor to selected. Cursor to selection. No, cursor to selected. And then we're gonna go back. Take that, edit that, and take that, and selection to cursor. Oh, okay. All right, let's see if we can re-add these guys now. So, object, that one, no, that one. That one need to be parented to that guy over there. Boom. That guy. Boom. Boom. And that guy here parented this guy. Pose. That guy. Bone. And that guy. We parented that guy, right? Control P. No. Pose. Control P. Bone. Alright, let's see if this works now. If I do that, rotate on the y-axis. Rotate. No. Rotate on the y. Let's see if it keeps itself. Yeah. It doesn't go outside the realm of this thing. Let's see this one. Rotate on the y. Same thing there. Oh, fucking finally. Oh, that was a freaking nightmare. Right. Go. 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 Yep. So everything seems to... Well, don't need to do that. So we can set a rotate Z. No, rotate Y. That's that. And rotate Y. So this one should only rotate in the Y, right? And grab. Yep. We need to set a constraint on this guy. It's gonna be a limit rotation, and it's going to, let's see here. Let's see this bone. Edit mode. Rotate Y. No. Postman. Rotate Y. That should be 90 and 90. So if I rotate this in X, nothing happens, okay? And then Z, rotate in Z. Nope. See, rotate Z. Rotate Y. Rotate X. Nothing happens. Rotate Y. There we go. Rotate Z. There we go. Let's see, because the Y is the up in the local. Oh shit, that's why. Look at that owner. We need to set it to local space. That's why. Rotate Z. Okay, rotate Y. Rotate Z. That's what we want to do, right? I don't understand this. This is my heat thing. What the hell is going on here? In pose mode. Rotate X. That's up and down. We can't do that. So this need to be 0. 0. Okay. Rotate Y is okay. Rotate Z. It's not supposed to happen. So rotate Z. Nothing happens. Okay, here we go. Rotate Y is fine. Good. All right. Let's see here. Same thing with these. Only need to be able to rotate in the Y. So add limit rotation. And it's going to be in local space. And rotate Y works. Rotate X. No. Rotate Z does not work. Perfect. Anything with this guy, limit rotation, local space, and we're gonna do it with Y. Okay. Let's see here. So that is okay. That is fine. So I had in these guys here, I had a distance because I don't want to be able to do this. This is just makes no sense to me. I want to limit these into some kind of location. It's going to be in local space. And let's see here, minimum in X is the thing here. And grab X. Now we can't move it at all, so we're gonna do minimum 10, maximum 10. Let's see what happens. Grab X. 10 meters is a lot. That's the max there. So set these to maybe 1.6. Minus 1.6. See what happens. Grab. And in Y and Z, we don't want to have any movement. We just want to have side to side movement. Might be too much though. I mean, this is just showing everything and it's just screwing up everything. So, let's see, one. Grab X. Oh shit. Minimum -1. There we go. I mean, it's almost too much still. -0.6. 0.6. We need to be able to turn it a little bit to be able to do some kind of side movement at some point. But I think this is actually okay. Oh shit. 0.6. Set this to 0, 0, 0. Okay, there we go. So add that here as well. And constraint, rotation. And we're gonna say 6. Oh, rotation. This is rotation. I need the location. Sorry. Limit location. There we go. And oh shit! What the hell happened here? Oh, world space. I need local space. Boom. Thank you. Keep on missing that. Okay. Maximum is now. Is it the same, by the way? Minus 0.6 and 0.6. It's actually local space, so. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Awesome. I was thinking about putting something on these guys as well, but I did that with my other. Let's see what we can do with the animation, if it's gonna screw up and whatnot. All right. I think we're actually rigged it. It's rigged and ready. I mean, yeah, well, we'll see where we end up here. This movement is a little bit too much. Woo! Let's dance! Wow! What I do with the other guy there? Let's double check that. Did I set any limits on my? I'm thinking about my target bone. If I set any limits, I set some limits, very small limits. Just so I couldn't just grab it out and put it wherever. It makes it a little easier when I'm going to animate this. So let's put a limit on this. And it was the limit location I did, and I did it in the Y. Let's see, local space. The Y, I put it at a 0.008. That sounds extremely small. Oh shit! Because it's so 0. Let's see, negative 0.8, and a maximum of 0.8. See here. Okay. Doesn't look right at all. Maybe I shouldn't do that though. It's weird. Can only go so far. Oh, there we go. 0.8. Let's see. There we go. Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm gonna sit down some Saturday. I just gonna work on doing animations and train on that, because it's so much stuff we can do. It's just amazing. I just watched a tutorial or a training series here a while back about a guy that doing these things, and it was pretty fun how he practiced himself by doing these sword fights. So he was animating sword fights manually, And it was just he sat down and doing it for a couple of hours every now and then, just to get in all the movement and how to get all these animation movements in, and it's pretty cool. So something you can, you know, if you want to practice animations, apparently sword fights, animating sword fights is the way to go to really get all these things down. Because it's so intricate with all the movements and different movements you can do. Anyways, so we're gonna add a location limit on this guy as well, and it's gonna be in the X direction, and it's gonna be in the local space, and it's gonna be negative 0.6, or did I say 0.8? Negative 0.8 and 0.8. I think we said, or said. Okay. Oh shit. That is not right. Oh, this is Y, not X. There we go. Yeah, control race, yeah. I don't know. I mean, sure, they're probably working for 90% of the stuff you want to do. Does it work to doing full animations though? Because that's what we're gonna do now. I think we're ready to start animating this shit. So this is the animation I had earlier. Let's see. So I had first an idle scan. It's just a. We're gonna do that too. It's just to idle back and forth over a longer period of time here. I'm gonna start with that. And then we have, I did this walk cycle. Let's see, we're gonna change this to 100, boom, and let's see. So this was the problem I had. That's why I redid it. I noticed that, you know, I wanted this whole. All right, okay, cool. I wanted this stop motion, so whenever it's put down its feet, it's just doing that, just 100%, you know, small stop. And what I noticed was that it was a little problematic when I brought that into Unreal Engine, because I forgot to put a root bone that it doesn't have an emotion at all. So it was a little problematic. Yeah, it looks nice, and then I start went like, okay, I need to put in a curve to basically slow down the speed of the movement whenever he planted his foot. And when I did that, I needed to have some kind of root motion, because I want to have like a turn in place animation at some point as well, and then I really needed root motion. And it doesn't work, because the problem here is that I have a little wiggle animation here on the center bone. It's a little bit of rotation here. And what happened was that because I put that on the root bone, well, it doesn't work with the root motion anymore, so it stopped flapping back and forth. So that's why I was like, okay, let's redo the whole thing from scratch and get a new rig into it. That's what why I start redoing this rig, basically. Now we have a root bone at the bottom here. That will handle that. No, this is gonna be playable. You can actually see it. I already have it set up in the. Oh, it's actually already playing. So right now, what happens? That it looks like this, and you see it's sliding. I wanted that stop, and that's where it's screwed up when I start testing it around. And then you see the movement when I'm turning around. I want to have like a stop, turn action, but it's screwed up with the whole. How should I put it? How the frick am I telling this? Yeah. So to be able to do a turn in place, I need that root component in my mesh. So yeah, but yeah, it'll take a time, and sometimes you just realize that it's not gonna work. You have to redo it, and then you have to take that time and really really do it for you. And same thing, this was just a test for me to make sure that I actually got it to work and that all the parts is there, and I realized that it's not, because I need to have a start, I need to have a stop animation, I need to be able to have a turn in place, and you see it's so abrupt when it stops. It needs to have a fluent stop animation, and I need this to have a speed difference. Whenever we put down a foot, it needs to stop a little bit to slow down the speed, and then, you know, like a machine does when it doing things, it needs to have a variation in speed and not a constant speed all over. So that's where we ended up, and I ended up. But yeah, I think it looks pretty okay. You know, it looks kind of okay. Legs might be a little bit weak, but this is supposed to be a working machine, right? This is supposed to be a machine that you go out and you mine rocks with, or whatever. Same thing, the black plate here in the back is our backpack function. So basically you can hook on different modules to grab extra storage for ore. For example, let's say you are out mining and you want to have extra rock or module, or you want to have some kind of other module, like if you're out, I don't know, mining some other type of material, so you might have a specific module to store that particular ore. So for example, ore has one, and I don't know, priest has another one, or whatever. Gas, maybe you're out finding gas out there, or magma, or whatever. Some blended animation should do the tricks. Yes, this was just the testing, and that's the thing. The blend animation, I need the root motion and the root constraint for it. And for my feet, I just need a speed variation when it comes to the movement. And that's just a curve. So it's a curve, and then we can, you know, add things to that curve. So that's fine. We'll get there. So I thought I'll start doing another couple of animations and see where we end up. So I'm gonna grab a plane here so I have something to look at. Oh, come on. Rest post? No. Oh, I'm in post mode. Sorry. I'm gonna do mesh. I'm gonna do a plane. Scale that plane, and we're gonna grab it down and move it down. Boom. There we go. Oh. Let's see. Cool. Scale on the Y. I'm not walking anywhere, but all right. Let's go into that. We're gonna go into animations. And play in action. Oh shit! Really? I started. That's fine. We're gonna go delete those animations. Go to under file and go to these guys here. Actions. We're gonna delete those actions. Boom. Cool. I'm gonna set this to 400. I want a very slow animation for like an idle animation. So we're gonna create a new action. We're gonna call this idle scan, like you're scanning back and forth. And let's see here. Close mode. There we go. And we are taking this down to 0. Boom. Let's start our animation. Gonna set a key for location and rotation on all bones, right? Bonk. Cool. Or maybe not. Let's see. I want to bring this down a little bit. Because he is too... Not hide. Shit. Grab. There we go. It's a little up on his fucking things here. Well, right, let's start in the middle. And take it to 100. There we go. Rotate it. Come on. Rotate in the Y. Like that. Okay, 3. Now we're gonna take 250. And now we're gonna have this rotate Y. Then at 300, we're going to with another keyframe. And this take 100, so 300 to 400. That should actually work. Okay. Duplicate. And we're going to place this at 401. I think that exactly is there. Okay, we need to should not stop in the middle, should it? Honestly, just pass. Okay, so let's do this. gonna grab those. Grab those. I'm gonna grab those. I'm gonna move these to the absolute start. And then we're gonna grab those, duplicate those, and just bring them over here. Okay, so I'm going to bring these into the center instead. Let's somehow bring these outside a little bit. There we go. I think these are still inside. There we go. Cool. See if I remember correctly here. No. There we go. I think I remember this, but no. Jesus. Where are you? Automatic. Right. Oh shit. No, 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 no. Might be good enough. Oh, we'll do that. It's 400. Okay. Let's get a new. Do that. Click user and new action. There we go. No, shit. See, I action that one. We can remove, delete that bone. Now we're gonna say And it's going to be a walk circle. And let's see here, so and this guy needs to be at 1, 0. If I remember correctly. Yeah. Okay. And this is going to be at 0. And save. Let's see here. Now, what I did here was I started stretched out, but I think we're going to start here somewhat in the middle, and then pass by in the middle. So we're going to start somewhat in the middle of a walk. Let's see here. We're going to turn that off right now, and I want to grab these. Let's see here. We're going to start in the middle. That means that we can actually start. Let's see, first of all, how long is this supposed to be? This is 100 frames long. Need up to 50. It will be in the middle there, and in the middle at the end. That means that every step should be 50. So that means up to 25 steps. It needs to be stretched out to the maximum, 75. So let's see here, 25 stretched out, 25 stretched, and 75 stretched. Okay, so at 0, we need to have the, let's see here. Well, we can actually do this. Okay, case rotation, and 101. Come on. There we go. Jesus, these dogs are going insane. Okay, let's say we start with this foot here. Record. Something like that. Oh. Taint. Hell? Yeah. Should record that. Don't really get it. Fuck is my foot now? Okay, something went wrong. That's normal. Insert. That. Oh shit. Five. Let's do that. Come on. Have the record button. Yes. Now it works. Cool. Not gonna be this exact, but I just want to get it to. There you go. Not you. You. Yes. Well, we'll move this later. So, at 75, just need to flip these guys around. Nice. What the hell happened with the fucking foot, though? It's not gonna be quite as far. Could we bring it back a little bit? There. Just duplicate that. I want to bring that back there. Ah, okay. delete those. And I'm gonna do all of those. Delete those. I'm gonna say yeah. Need to stop that little stop motion in between. It should just smooths right past that. I wonder how we're gonna do that. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll figure it out. All right. In between these, of course, we're gonna have some kind of altitude on these. 13. One and a half. So, what the hell is going on here? Is this true? $25. Oh, champ, how you doing, man? Going okay, I guess. I just started animating this and this. I don't really remember exactly how to freaking do everything. Don't want to bring it back all the way back though. So here somewhere we need to have it 40. Just for the hell of it now. Oh, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. So let's just double check what the hell I did on the other one here. So the first one is a final thing. That's why it works, because okay, so we're gonna do that here as well. That's why this is working, because I get that stop and it's so natural in this. Because I wanted to have that little natural stop when a machine stops a little bit whenever he puts down his foot. It's like planting it and it's like stops just a little bit. I like this animation. Why can't I use it? Oh, fucking shit. Let's see. I'm guessing we'll redo that anyway. Boom. Go back to 0. And let's pause mode. Here's transform all. There we go. Let's start over. Let's do this as I did the other one. So basically I started at 0 and just placed it out to put as I wanted it. And let's take all that, delete it. Oh. Alright, first of all, walk cycle, thank you. There we go. And let's see here. So I started by, let's lean these over a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna grab this foot, place it, and it's going to be almost 90 degrees. Grab it over like that. Come on, rotate. No, not you. You. Grab. Boom. Right, the other leg. Grab that. I'm gonna put it roughly there. Plant it down like so. Okay. So look from the front. I want it to be looking a little bit, rotating on the Y. So I want this leg to be pointing out a little bit. Grab. And this one to be pointed in a little bit. So. And I want the body. This is where I screwed up the last time, because I used the root bone for this, and this is not what you're supposed to use the root bone for. I want to rotate this a little bit like so. There we go. Now we can take the eye. Sorry, all of them. All bones and eye. Boom. Cool. Now we're going to take the last frame, and that's basically it's going to be the same, right? Can copy all these and just duplicate them. We're going to move them to 101. One more. 102, 101. There we go. Perfect. So now at 50, we just want to split. Change these two to exactly opposite. They're probably a very good way of just break the animation. Probably a very good shortcut for that. I was thinking, is there? It's gotta be, right? That's gotta be a thing. That's got to be a thing, right? Is there a way to flip all the animation piece? No, so it is a copy. It's a copy. There's a way to flip the animation keys in a walk cycle. So what happens on the right happens on the left. It's gotta be. You can mirror animation keys for walk cycles so the actions on the right side happens to the left. Here's how you do it. Go to that action, blah 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 blah. Select the keyframes to mirror. Select all keyframes you want to mirror in the action. Place the playhead currently frame in a limited point of the walk cycle. Press A to scale, then X or Y for your timeline. Press okay. So let's copy these. Shift duplicate. Put it there. Boom. And scale -1. No? Scale -1. That didn't help. I didn't do shit. Scale X -1. Oh shit. Scale X -1. Enter. Okay, that didn't fucking help anything. That doesn't do it. Hold on. Let's see what happens if I do this. Right pole. I don't know what the fuck happened now. Alright. The hell? So, left pole here. Which is this. What happens if I just do X? Because that's the one we want to move, right? Just shit. Test it out. Minus. Not minus, not fucking. Oh my god. Minus. That won't work. What the fuck? This one. And this one. Station. So stupid. I mean, it's got to be a very, very simple way of doing this. right? It's gotta be a very, very simple way of doing this. I mean, I need to learn this for future. If you walk symmetrical, with a midpoint in time, you can scale the keyframes by -1 along the timeline axis to reverse the motion. Paste them. Oh, Control Shift plus V. Okay, let's test that out. Copy. Control Shift V. Control Shift V. Hold on, something happened. Control C. Oh! Something happened. God damn it. There we go. Well, it's not right, but... I think it goes too fast too. I need to slow this down. Let's do to 200. There we go. It's not right yet, but getting closer. Let's see how their body is moving. Yeah, it's okay. I think the head movements is too big. Let's see. That one. Rotate on the Y. Rotate. Oh shit. Rotate on the Y, grab that a little bit in. Right, cool. So in between here it's 150. So let's see, that one is going forward, so we need to want this guy to be a little higher like that. Then 150. Want you to be a little higher. Looks like my pole bones doesn't animate very good. And I want the wiggle thing to be a little bit more. Okay, let's also address this feet. That looks just horrible all along. Let's see here. There we go. Just that. Boom. To do this manually, I think. The lift here needs to rather be so. And it's sinking down a little bit too low here. That needs to come up. There. Looks like it's rotating. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. See, it's rotating. Not you. This one. There we go. Oh my god. Yeah, it's all over the place. Now what the hell? This is the one I want to target. Need to be firmly planted into the ground when it's dragging backwards. Oh shoot. All over the place. Don't. It's the movement of the leg that makes it. Here, for example. Almost like a manually animate this, just like used to do when we were a kid and you played. I don't know if you ever played with these stop animations with toys and stuff like that when you were a kid. I had a friend that had like a little mini studio at home, and it was like pretty cool because you were doing these stop animations with Star Wars toys. So we moved, and you took one little image or two images for every stop. And then you moved the toy a little bit, and then you moved it, you animated it. Okay, here something is, yep, this is major thing. We need to rotate this up a little bit. It's like it's like wobbling back and forth there. Is it my keyframe or is it to that keyframe there? So that guy there, let's delete him. And let's delete him. This whole wobbly. It's like, I don't know what the fuck. Then you see something coming down here. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Oh, she's pointing through, or what the hell is happening? Oh, yeah. Alright, that doesn't matter. It's just that. It's just in the starter, it's like a little flicker. Oh shit. Let's see. I think it's flicker from the last frame. So it's flicker between that one and the first one. Yeah, those are not the same. Let's duplicate that. Oh, why is that one? That's better. Something in between here. It's like there. I think I had too many of this. It's just need to, yeah. I just made too many changes. But if it's from the side, let's see here. Same thing here. It's too many changes. Let's move these. Boom. Delete those. Get this. There we go. It's a little bit, but it's not too bad. Yep. All right. Start looking at the other one then. Okay, so it's planting it here. That's a plant. Let's see if I take this and control 3. There we go. Instantly see that we have a little wiggly on the front. Right. So control 3. Start over. So in the middle here, we'll place a control point. Oh, fucking shit. Why am I doing that? Join areas. Rotate. Not bad. Let's get this from the front. Too much. Maybe it's because of the change in the overall wobble. It's not too bad in a way. It's too slow though. All right, we have one more thing I want to do, because it's too static. So whenever this module is here, I want this, nope, that to be a little bit higher. Therefore, it's here as well. Let's see. Yeah, that's better. Now the feet are not really working yet, but we'll figure that out. I have a little bounciness to it, right? Is it too slow? Maybe it's too slow. I might have to speed this up. I want it to be a slow machine though. Alright. Let's see about the feet again. So, still think that we need to remove that. We can probably remove this as well. Sucks. I think we can remove that one as well, to be honest. Now I was planting it a little too flat though. Let's see. That's the rice. That's it. No. which foot I'm looking at right now. There. Yeah. Perfect. Well, perfect is a strong word, but... I want to bring up these a little bit. Put that there. What the hell did I do now? This one can remove. Bring this up there.
If I'll ever change, been dreaming of Nashville,
Yeah, that works.
Tennessee, while the cold here in Sweden got the best of me. Well, haven't I got better shit to think about than
Don't know
that shit?
how the hell I'm gonna get that absolute flat. Because it's like it's almost going up and then down. Jumping between animating programs is just a fucking mess. It's like it go up and then down. It's gotta be something to do with this leg here. So. Guess that's how we have to deal with that, right? Alright, so what the hell are we doing here? Let's look at other puts here. I want to bring this guy a little forward. And we're going to rotate him just a tad. So. Here we need to rotate him a little bit there, and we are also going to rotate him on the this Y. Rotate Y. Here we go. Okay, I want this guy. Let's see. Take that guy. Rotate him on the Y. So. Okay. I'm going to duplicate him and place him at this point as well. There we go. Yeah, there's something wrong with the pole movements. It doesn't really move. They're like fixed. That's gonna screw up everything again, so probably have to redo it. But yeah, I want these poles to actually move. Oh. Let's see. Because they are never moving, right? And play this. Never do anything. So we have one value here. That's the one I wanted here. Shit. So you want your leg to point that way. This leg pointing that way a little bit, right? In the middle, you want to flip it. Now we want this leg to point inwards and this one to point. Or does it? No. It just doesn't feel like it does. From that point a little bit inwards. Here grab X. Grab X. Grab Y, grab X. Duplicate that, put that there. Got a little movement now. There we go. Not much, but it's... See if it makes it... a little bit more enjoyable. I think so. Yeah, that'll be good. Okay, so speed. Let's see. This is walking at full speed. That's at 100 per lap. If I do 200, maybe it's too slow. No, 100 is probably fine. Let's change this to 100. Let's see, this guy. Scale. Oh shit. There we go. Scale to 100. I think that's fine. All right, let's hook this up and we'll see here. I need these guys though to be at 101. There we go. Cool. Alright, so let's test this out. We're gonna make a first getting our idle scan. Oh shit, this is at 400. Cool. Let's export that first. X, let's see here. Export text 1. All right, I already screwed up. Let's see here, we're going to change this to scenes, and we're going to do not the plane, we can delete the plane now. Object, armature, scene collection. What the hell objects? Have all the stuff we need in this one, right? Object mode. Okay. See here. Export of base. New test 1. This is scan with idle with mesh. So we're gonna have the armature, we're gonna have the mesh, selected object, geometry. It's gonna be base. I'm gonna have armature is nothing there. It's fine. This is fine. Yeah, export that. Let's test to import that stuff. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yes, thank you. Mesh. There we go. New test Mac. Oh. There we go. Oh, fuck. Oh, of course. I totally forgot about sizing and stuff like that. We'll go. Here's my Blender file. There we go. We need to go in and set. For some reason, I don't understand, but this needs to be 0.001 or 01. Check that out. 0.01, yes. And now we can export this. So it's very, very small, and then we're going to blow it up into something very, very big. test export scan yesterday. No, test export. New test export 01. Jeez, I'm so scan with mesh. Yeah, export. All right, let's grab this and we're gonna bring this in here and skeletal mesh, and we're going to, let's see here. Something I'm missing here. Hundred. Let's see. Okay. Copy that. I'm gonna move that into mesh animation. Nope. Little mesh. That's not it, right? No, here, body one. There we go. The skeleton, physics assets, animation. I don't know. That's the first animation. Right? Cool. Let's test to just export the other one as well. Walk cycle. And we're going to set this to 100. And let's see here, export FBX. I'm gonna do new test export 01 walk cycle, no mesh. Go. So we're gonna remove the mesh. No, there we go. Armature. And we're just gonna double check so everything is like it should, and we're exporting that. Let's drag that into the world. Start getting tired. My neck starts hurting. Walks. Test export animation. Texport. New walk cycle mesh. Okay, no mesh. So that. Jesus, nice name, buddy. Nice name. All right. Everything should be okay. So let's get this in and just there we go. Our animation is imported. CP tier. I don't know why it's flying so high, but yeah, that's not a problem. Check that out before. Did that when I want to. Looks okay, I think. Yep. It's not perfect. I mean, I am nowhere even close to be good at animation, but It is there and it works. So, let's see if I can. I need to create a new animation blueprint for this. New tech mesh, make textures, that's fine. These are the old ones. Yeah, I need to create a new APB. Basically the same thing as this one, but let's see, can I just change skeleton in these? No, I can't, can I? These are deeply connected to my skeleton. Oh, well, it should be fine. It takes just a few seconds to create one, I think. Do I have any music? Jesus, my music disappeared. That ain't happening. I'm gonna create a animation blueprint. I'm gonna hook it up. Right now we're not. We're gonna use the new animation blueprint. So let's see. So let's go into. We are in here. Okay, so let's do a animation blueprint. Oh, fuck me. The wrong one. There we go. And it's the new one. Create that. And this is going to be ABP new make mesh. Jesus. I'm going to have to create all these stuff again. I just want to see so everything works right. So I need to new static, new bait, bait machine. There we go. Main state machine. State machine. There we go. Or main. At state, I'm just gonna go idle. Boom. Come on, man. There we go. And this is gonna be scan. Got that. Put that up. Boom. And there we go. We got a scan. All right. So we are also going to do a state called walk, and we're gonna have a through and a from on that one. Now we just need to set that up, and we are just gonna go in here to my main event. So remember what I'm doing here. So I'm doing it as vehicle D. I'm casting it to GD. Copy that shot. Oh, crap. Oh. This was an initialize event blueprint initialization. We're gonna grab that. We're gonna put that there. We're gonna promote this to variable. Call this ring. Yeah. There we go. Boom. And then we are going to get the character movement from that. Character movement. Okay. Get movement component. This is something I'm going to have to start working on because I need to create my own movement components for these, because the next the next mech I'm going to start working on is a quad, what do you call it, four-legged thing, almost like they have in Star Wars, you know, when they're walking around like AT-AT kind of deal. Not exactly like that, but something similar. So it's going to be the next level size of miners. You can use that to go around the mine. It's gonna have more capacity, more weapon slots, so you can have a couple of miners, but you also can have defenses, like 4 or 5 defenses or something like that. It's gonna be pretty cool. And these are the big mechs and big, you know, mining equipments, and then you're gonna start working on. I need to start working on vehicles that are a lot smaller, that can attack these guys, and rapids, and they are not much larger than a regular human being. A little bit bigger because you need to be able to bulk up some weapons and stuff like that, but not much. Anyway, so movements component. These just take a little time. Just takes a little bit of time now at the start here, to get into all these things. Let's see here. What else do I need to do? Yes, I need to do all this stuff. So I'm gonna get a validate getter. So I'm gonna get my movement component. No, I'm gonna get my. What's my owning? Yes. I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna get my own vehicle, and I want to do a validated get. There we go. So we do that, and then make sure that we have that, and then we get the character movement from that, or movement component there from that, and we're going to get the velocity. Get velocity, and we're gonna get the length from that. Get length. Get. What do you call it? Velocity, vector length, vector length. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Then we're going to check that vector length, return, get vector length. Vector length XY is the one we want. Shit. Vector length, length XY. Sorry. Go. I'm gonna get that. This is blueprints, my ass. Honestly. And if this is greater than the hell? That's what I want to do. Ready. Branch. Jesus Christ. I'm getting really tired of my neck right now. Alright. So, then we need to create a bool, right? We need to create a bool is B should move. Create a bool B should move. And we're gonna set that basically on, depending on. Oh, maybe we can just do this. This is what we want to do. Not that. Let's want to set this one up. Right? Is it greater or not? So this is update animation, so it's gonna happen all every freaking frame. Getting that. If it's greater than 3, then we should move. Blah 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 blah. All right. Then we're going to go in here. We're going to set this. Should move there and go back and take this, moving back, and then we say B should move, and we say not equal, not boolean. Not boolean is the one we want. Boom, right. And now we are good to go there. Cool. Now we need to go into our walk animation, and here we need to pass something in. And we're going to do that in a second. We just need to create what we're going to pass in here. We're going to pass in animation and animation blend space. And we're going to take our new one, and we're going to do walk cycle blend. this is not the end result of this, but this is the one we're gonna use right now. And this is gonna be, let's see, minimum access value, horizontal speed. It can be 0 to 200, 300. Here we go. 300 is probably fine. And let's see here. This is bar scan. Boom. This is going to be at 50. There. Now we're going to have our scan here, right? This is where you're going to blend the bit in. Yeah, alright. Cool. So now we can go in here, we can grab our walk blend space. That's not how I did it? Ah. Test, export. I never used my blend space. Huh. That's intriguing. Well, we're probably gonna use our blend space here anyway, right? And the speed, we need the ground speed. Did I get that here? Jesus. Yeah, I just need to promote this to a variable, right? What? That's not variable. This is a variable. Ground speed. Interesting. Yeah. Let's see. Walk. Ground speed. Boom. There. Ah, come on, man. Get it. Get it. Oh, alright. Oh, gonna be so nice to do I'm gonna do a little run here a little bit on my treadmill. Alright. Boom. Let's yeah, everything should actually be hooked up. I've been working a little bit to get all this in here. So we're gonna go into our content, into game, blueprints, data, data table, and we're gonna do vehicle input. No, we're gonna go into data assets actually. I'm gonna do data trust track here, and let's see what we got. I'm gonna mesh. I'm gonna change this mesh to the new mesh, and camera is fine. Animation. This is the new one. New make mesh. Okay. I don't know. It's actually doing something, and I think this is the new. Everything is the new stuff. Yeah, it's the new stuff because it's not working very well. But it's not working as well as the other one. But it's in there. Oh shit, I just lost contact. And this is actually on a client, so it's not on the database or anything like that. But that doesn't look right. That does not look right at all. And I don't know what the fuck this is. This little black mark disappears after a while. I have no idea what that is. But yeah. It's not right, but it's better. But now I got root motion and I can continue working on this tomorrow. Anyway, so that was today's stream. I know it's been a little bit weird, but I need to do this as well. We need to continue working on getting stuff in there. Oh, I can see one problem here. Oh, I can actually know what that is. Let's see, we need to go into these here and we need to check these as loop. That is loop. Walk cycle blend. Hold on. Is this my new one? These make one. Hold on. I don't know. We know you got so much shit open right now. Game. Blueprints. Test area. Fuck me. Assets. Mix. Test my. Oh my god! Now the doors is coming in here. Is this it? Let's scan. Oh, this is. Oh, there is something else I need to work on. Jesus, so much. I need to change the name on these fuckers. This is animation. This need to be. Where are we doing this? Hold on, somewhere we are doing this. Loop animation, that's need to be done there. Maybe this is actually. Walk cycle blend space. Let's test getting the walk just straight up. He's up here, don't worry about it. Yeah, that's so weird. It looks better without the blend space. Okay. Okay, you need to go down. Go down. No, there's something else I need to do. There we go. Yeah. So I need to also start working a little bit with, let's see what happens. Okay. And it starts its animation. I need to work with some curves to change speed because I want it to slow down every time it takes a step there. I need to slow down a little bit. Just a little bit slow down. You know, because so it doesn't slide like this. I wanted to have a little slowdown, like a vehicle or a robot taking a step, slows down a little bit, step, slow down, step, slow down, and that's a curve table I need to, or a curve I need to get in there. But it's so much stuff. But hopefully, let's just do the check, because that was the whole reason I did this, so I can actually enable root motion. Let's see if that works. Yes. So the other one, when I enabled root motion, was it starts jumping around all the fucking place. So that actually I can enable root motion in this, and we can start getting that stuff in there. Awesome. Thank you so much for people that have been here today. Excellent Torch. Let's see, chatters. Deepinder, Dan. Thank you so much for being here. And yeah, on Swap Gaming, and we're actually getting somewhere. We actually start getting our vehicles in for the first vehicle anyway. And let's just continue working on this. I'll see you next time on Swap Gaming. Take it easy.